This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the feet as you're crocheting the body of my free amigurumi pattern, Peter the Penguin. At this point, you should have 2 finished feet ready to attach. You should also have the body crocheted to the end of round 6. We'll attach the feet as we crochet round 7. Align a foot on the right side of the work. In this round, we'll be repeating a sequence of 5 single crochets and an increase 6 times. Attach the foot in the next 6 stitches. So we'll insert our hook through a stitch on the foot and then through a stitch on the body, like that, and then we'll do a single crochet. So that was our first single crochet, and we're going to do that 4 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll increase in the last stitch of the foot. Then we'll single crochet in the next stitch. Then attach the second foot in the next 6 stitches with 4 single crochets, an increase, and then another single crochet. Align the foot. One, 2, 3, 4, then increase in the next stitch. Then single crochet in the last stitch of the foot. And then to finish out the sequence of 5 single crochets and an increase, we'll single crochet in the next 4 stitches and then increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase. Let's go back to the beginning of the round and make sure we maintained our sequence while attaching the feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. Perfect. So we'll finish out the round by repeating the sequence 3 more times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. Then one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then increase in the last stitch of the round. At the end of the round, you should have 42 stitches. That's all there is to it. Complete the remainder of the body as your pattern is written. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!